61 300G.
What make is that? Is that the make?
A Craftler 300.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
300G. And back in that day, they lettered them every year.
Different.
Right. So 62 would have been E, you know.
And you said this has 2 4-barrel carburetors on it?
Right.
Holy jeez. It's pretty cool. You guys working on a lot of cool stuff back here. Oh, look at this interior. Player. They got a super back there too. Hidden. Wonder what they got going on with that.